Kendra's right. The ADS is completely shut. I'll need your help to fix this. Kendra, if you can hear me, see if you can get to the ship's reports. It sounds like you have better access from there.
When were you going to tell us about the artifact, Hammond? This marker?
I don't know anything about that. It's referenced in the captain's records. They brought it up from the planet.
It's on the ship.
In cargo. They think it's of alien origin, but I don't know what the hell it is.
Really? CEC didn't know anything about it. You're lying.
Back up! I am not the bad guy here. We're all shaky right now. You're gonna have to trust that I don't know anything about it. We got to the debris field. Get to the captain's desk. I'll explain everything later. Coming down.
Stabilized. We've got to get the ADS working.
Bridge, come in. We've been boarded. Repeat, the ship has been boarded. We were under attack. How are they? They've already killed most of the deck staff. We need security back up here immediately. We can't hold them back for very long.
Isaac. Damn, you scared me. Place is making me jumpy. Fucking asteroids coming through the roof. Look, I know Kendra doesn't trust me, but I don't know anything about a marker or anything else. This is supposed to be a repair mission. Plain and simple. This mess is the asteroid defense system. I can fix these boards when the main power routing is shot. You're gonna have to reroute them manually through at least 3 junction boxes to activate the primary cannon. Oh, but first, you need to activate the atrium elevators from bridge security. You can use them to get to the junction boxes. By the way, Isaac, be careful. I saw something out there. I don't know what. I only got a glimpse. It was big. Really big.
Stand back. Thought that one was dead when I sealed the pod. These things don't die easily.
for mutiny. Fine, make them listen to reason. Settle down. Hold him. By Maritime Law, Article 5469, I hereby declare Captain Benjamin Mathias unfit for duty. The marker must be delivered to the church. Terrence, please! I'm sorry, Ben. I can't let you do this. Traitor. Heretic. Hold his head. Murderer! Hold him. Dead. No, it was an accident. I had to stop him. Arrest the doctor.
It looks like some of the gravity plating is malfunctioning. Keep an eye out for any kind of distortion effect coming from the floor. It could be dangerous.
Rerouted. I'm making some progress with the tracking grid. One of the cannons is giving me a hard time. Keep moving.
Isaac, listen up. I've got over the MedSci reports. These things are biorecombinators. They take dead tissue, absorb it, and mold it into new forms. One iteration seems to have the sole purpose of infecting corpses. The others, well, they're using aging corpses to infect. And that body tissue we keep seeing on the walls is part of it too. I found a report that says it's a habitat changer.
Exiting vacuum.
Briefing box rerouted. I'm getting a reading. Almost there. Around in case whoever did it comes back. I'm heading for hydroponics to find Elizabeth.
Asteroid defense system now online.
Alright, we've got enough power, but the ADS cannons we're targeting is down. I think it's a faulty data cable. I need you to aim the cannon manually until I can replace it. Take the elevator to the top of the ship and head for the cannon pit. Isaac, you're going to have to cross the ship exterior to reach the ADS cannon. Problem is, we're still getting bombarded by asteroids. Look for cover, or you'll get torn to pieces.
Entering vacuum. Entering zero gravity. Warning. Multiple impacts detected across the starboard hull.
You're in the pit. The cannon's a mass driver, so it should punch through anything flying at us. Keep an eye on the hull and second. Too many of those things get by, and we're dead. I think I've almost got the second repair. I need one more time. the autopilot again. Head to the tram station. Launch them.
Entering zero gravity. Exiting zero gravity. Exiting vacuum.
Wait! Isaac Hammond. You're not gonna believe this. Oxygen levels are falling. Something's poisoning hydroponics air production, and whatever it is, it's filling the deck up with that organic stuff. We're not gonna have any air to breathe soon. But if I understand these lab reports correctly, I think I can make a poison to destroy it. Head to medical. It should have everything you need.
Will this never end? Isaac, get to medical and mix together whatever Kendrick's come up with. I'm heading to hydroponics. If I can slow it down, that might keep us breathing long enough to fight it.